Hello everyone. Welcome to day 8 of our 30 Days English Listening Challenge. Today's story is called My Morning Exercise Routine. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Listening to English every day is one of the best ways to improve your English. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is David. I am 20 years old. I like morning exercise. Morning exercise is part of my daily life. I exercise every morning. I feel happy when I exercise. I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. My alarm clock rings. I open my eyes. I turn off the alarm. I sit on my bed for 1 minute. Then I stand up. I smile. Today is a new day. I make my bed. My room looks clean. A clean room makes me feel good. Next, I open my window. Cool air comes into my room. The air is fresh. I take a deep breath. The sky is light blue. The sun is coming up. I can see the trees. The trees move in the wind. I can hear birds. The birds sing beautiful songs. The morning is quiet. I like quiet mornings. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. The cool water feels nice. Then I brush my teeth. Now I feel awake. I go to the kitchen. I drink 1 big glass of water. Water is good for my body. I always drink water before exercise. Now it is time to get ready. I put on my sports clothes. I wear a blue t-shirt. I wear black shorts. I wear white socks. I wear my running shoes. My shoes are comfortable. I fill my water bottle. I always take my water bottle. Water is important during exercise. I look outside again. The weather is beautiful. The sky is clear. The sun is bright. There are a few white clouds. The air is cool. It is a perfect morning. I leave my house. I lock the door. Then I start walking. The park is near my house. Takes about 10 minutes to walk there. I enjoy the walk. The streets are clean. There are only a few cars. The town is still quiet. I see a man walking his dog. The dog looks happy. The dog runs around the man. I smile. The man smiles too. I see a woman on a bicycle. She rides slowly. She wears a red jacket. I see a small bakery. The bakery is open. Fresh bread is on the shelves. The bread smells wonderful. Many people stop there. I continue walking. I see colorful flowers. The flowers are red, yellow, and pink. I see green trees. I hear more birds. Everything looks beautiful. Soon I arrive at the park. The park is big. The park is clean. There are many trees. There is a small lake. The water is very calm. I see ducks on the lake. Some ducks are swimming. Some ducks are sleeping. I walk to my favorite place. There is a big tree. I always start there. First, I warm up. I move my head. I move my shoulders. I move my arms. I move my hands. Then I move my legs. I move my feet. Now I stretch. I stretch my arms. I stretch my back. I stretch my legs. Stretching feels good. My body feels warm. My body is ready. I take 1 deep breath. I smile again. Now it is time to jog. I start slowly. I do not run fast. I jog at a comfortable speed. I look around the park. The morning is peaceful. I feel relaxed. I feel healthy. I feel full of energy. I know today will be a good day. I keep jogging. I feel comfortable. My body feels warm. My legs move easily. I breathe in. I breathe out. I do not run fast. I enjoy every step. The park is very beautiful. The grass is green. The trees are tall. The flowers are colorful. The birds are singing. I like the bird songs. They make me feel calm. The sun is higher now. The sky is bright. The morning is fresh. Many people are in the park. Some people are walking. Some people are jogging. Some people are riding bicycles. Some people are doing yoga. Everyone looks happy. Everyone wants to stay healthy. I see an old man. He walks very slowly. He smiles at me. I smile back. I see two young women. They are jogging together. They look happy. They are talking and laughing. I see a little boy. He is playing with a ball. His father is with him. The boy runs very fast. His father laughs. I keep jogging. I do not stop. I feel stronger now. My breathing is good. My body feels light. I finish one round. Then I start another round. I enjoy the quiet morning. I hear the wind. The wind is cool. The leaves move slowly. Everything feels peaceful. After 20 minutes, I stop jogging. I walk slowly. I drink some water. The water is cold. Tastes very good. I rest for 1 minute. Then I begin more exercises. First, I do 10 jumping jacks. I count slowly. Now I do 10 squats. My legs work hard. My back stays straight. I move slowly. Count again. Next, I do 10 push-ups. Push-ups are not easy. They make my arms strong. Sometimes I can do only 8. Today I can do 10. I feel proud. Now I do a plank. I keep my body straight. I look at the ground. I breathe slowly. 30 seconds feel long. But I finish. I smile. Now I stretch again. I stretch my arms. I stretch my shoulders. I stretch my back. I stretch my legs. Stretching feels relaxing. My muscles feel better. I take another drink of water. My exercise is almost finished. I feel happy. I feel healthy. I have more energy. I am glad I came to the park today. I begin walking home. The streets are busier now. More people are outside. Many cars are on the road. Some children are going to school. Some people are going to work. Everyone starts a new day. I enjoy my walk home. I feel relaxed. I feel fresh. I feel strong. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes. Then I take a shower. The warm water feels nice. Now I feel clean. I change into clean clothes. Then I go to the kitchen. It is breakfast time. Breakfast is very important. I make a healthy breakfast. Today I cook 2 eggs. I toast 2 slices of bread. I cut 1 banana. I wash 1 apple. I pour a glass of milk. Everything looks delicious. I sit down. I eat slowly. The food gives me energy. I drink my milk. Then I drink more water. A healthy breakfast makes me feel good. After breakfast, I clean the table. I wash my plate. I wash my cup. The kitchen is clean again. Now I get ready for my day. Sometimes I go to school. Sometimes I study at home. Sometimes I read English books. Sometimes I watch English videos. Sometimes I practice English listening. I enjoy learning new things. Morning exercise helps me every day. My body feels stronger. My mind feels clear. I can study better. I can work better. I feel happier. Sometimes I feel lazy in the morning. Sometimes I want to stay in bed. But I remember my goal. I get up. I put on my shoes. I go outside. After I start moving, I feel better. Every morning becomes easier. Now morning exercise is a habit. It is part of my life. I do not need a big gym. I do not need expensive equipment. I only need comfortable clothes. I only need my running shoes. I only need some water. I only need time. 30 minutes is enough. Every small step is important. Every day is a new chance. I want to stay healthy. I want to stay strong. I want to have more energy. Morning exercise helps me do all these things. Tomorrow morning I will wake up again. I will open my window. I will breathe the fresh air. I will put on my sports clothes. I will walk to the park. I will warm up. I will jog. I will exercise. I will smile. It is my morning routine. I love my morning exercise routine. It helps my body. It helps my mind. It helps my life. Thank you for listening to my story. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next lesson.